A new true book, Plants We Know, by Irene Sevrey Minor. This book was published in 1981. Plants we know. We know many kinds of plants. Some grow on land. Plants grow in our houses, in fields, in yards, in greenhouses, in forests. Some grow in water, in lakes or ponds. Many grow in high places, many grow in low places. Some grow in swamps, and some grow in deserts. Plants large and small. All plants grow. Some plants grow big and tall. Trees grow tall. Some trees grow taller than other trees. They may grow a great deal taller than our houses. Shrubs grow tall, but not as tall as trees. Some plants stay small. Garden plants stay small. Most house plants are small. Most grasses are little plants. Parts of the plants. Many plants have parts we know. There's the stem, the roots, the seeds, the fruit, the flowers, the leaves. And here's a tree with the roots, the trunk, the bark, the limbs, and the branches and twigs, and the leaves, and the seed or fruits, and the flowers. Some trees have these same parts and some other parts too. Do you see that tree stems are called trunks? Tree stems or trunks are woody. Some trees have no flowers or leaves. Here are their parts. Here's the roots, the trunk, the branch, and there's the bark on the trunk. And then there's the needles and the twig and the cone, and then the seeds that come out of the cone. Did you see what these trees have in place of flowers and leaves? Those are some ponderosa pine cones. Parts of a flower. Some flowers are pretty colors. These flowers have special parts. Not all flowers are easy to see, but all flowers have stamens or pistils. There's the stamen and the pistil, and then the petal and the sepal right there. That's a wild geranium. Fruit may grow from flowers. Seeds may grow inside the fruit. Seeds may grow inside cones too. That's a crabapple blossom. There's aspen trees, Virginia creeper ivy, and a shrub in the winter. The ways plants grow. Trees are plants with one trunk. Shrubs are plants with many trunks. Vines are plants that climb. Many plants do not have woody stems like trees. Their stems are green. Plants may grow in bunches. They may grow alone. Ways plants grow new plants. Many kinds of plants come from seeds. Grass comes from seeds. Many flowers come from seeds. Orange tree with blossoms. Many fruits come from seeds. Many vegetables come from seeds. Some seeds are larger than others. Some seeds are smaller than others. Some plants do not grow from seeds. Some grow from stems or pieces of stem. Some grow from roots. Some grow from bulbs. That's a philodendron, geraniums, daffodils, and tulips. Some grow from leaves of a mother plant. Some grow from buds, which are on an underground stem. There's African violets and potatoes. They're harvesting potatoes. Maple leaves. What plants need to grow? The green part of plants make food. The green parts are the leaves and sometimes the stems. Leaves need water to make food. Rain gives the plant water. Wilted plants need water. Leaves need air to make food. They use the carbon dioxide in the air. The sun helps the plants grow. The sun gives the plants heat and light. The plants are yellow if they do not have light. How plants store food. Some plants store food on top of the ground, in seeds, in stems, in fruits, or in leaves. Some plants store food underground, in roots or in underground stems. Here's soybeans and a cabbage field. This doesn't say. Parts of plants we eat. We eat parts of plants. We eat the leaves of the cabbage and lettuce. We eat stalks of celery and rhubarb. We eat buds and stems of asparagus. We eat flowers of cauliflower. We eat the bulbs of onions. We eat roots of radishes, beets, and carrots. We eat fruits of plants such as apples, peaches, tomatoes, and raspberries. We eat seeds such as peas, beans, rice, and wheat. Nuts are seeds too. How we need plants. Plants give us other things besides food. Can you think of other ways we use plants? Did you think of cotton clothing? Did you think of food for your pet? Look at the next page. You will find more uses for plants there. We need plants for our food. We need plants to feed our farm animals. We need plants to give us food to feed our plants. We need parts of plants to make cloth or clothing. We need plants for building. We need plants for home, for animals. We need plants for making furniture. And we need plants to make our world prettier. The end.